Hi, businesses. I'm Mai. Welcome back to Hire and Thrive, the podcast series where we explore the untold insights and hidden secrets for a hiring success. Hey, startup founders and hiring managers. We normally say that I want to build a startup vibe culture or I want to build a team with unique culture. But what exactly is that culture? In fact, culture is not only expressed by the working style, team rules, but also the people vibes, even how the team tackle one challenges. Culture is an expansive concept. So, as it is quite expansive, the question is, how can you know which candidate suits your culture fit within a limit of job's description or an interview? Let's discuss with us right now. Now, you may ask, what exactly is culture fit? First, culture fit is all about ensuring that the values, beliefs, and behaviors of an employee align with those of the organization. In other words, culture fit is about ensuring that an employee or team member not only possesses the necessary skills and qualifications, but also resonates with the values, atmosphere, and expectations of the organization. A strong culture fit typically results in higher job satisfaction, better team cohesion, and improved overall performance. So, if you want to choose a perfect fit candidate, the very first thing you need to do is to define your culture fit. Well, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach, and it goes beyond looking at a resume. Let's take a note and write down these questions. What are your values, mission, and vision? What kind of behaviors and attitudes do you expect from your employees? How do employees currently interact with one another and approach their work? What is the strength and weakness of your team? Is there any common trait between the teammates? Once you answer all the questions, let's circle the key cultural traits that are important for your organization, which helps your team to grow and be more competitive on the market. These could include values like teamwork, innovation, integrity, adaptability, or customer focus. Consider what behaviors and attitudes reflect these traits. When you mark all of the above steps, you can visualize better a candidate for your hiring process. But let's go a little bit further by create a culture fit statement. Yes, absolutely. Develop a concise and clear culture fit statement that encapsulates the cultural traits and values you are looking for in potential hires. This statement can serve as a reference point for both recruiters and candidates. Now, next step is to turn all you have listed above in hiring process. First of all, include your statement in the JDs. This can save you a lot of time to screen those who are not actually fit. Job descriptions should go beyond just listing qualifications and skills. Incorporate your culture fit statement to specify the cultural traits and values you're looking for in potential hires. For example, if one of your value is collaboration, the JD can mention something like, we thrive on cross-functional teamwork and value individuals who can effectively communicate and work together to achieve our goals. Then, incorporating your culture fit statement into job descriptions is like setting the stage for a great performance. It allows you to attract candidates who resonate with your organization's values right from the start. As you screen resumes and applications, look for indicators that show a candidate's alignment with your cultural traits. For example, if your company values collaboration, you might see phrases like worked in cross-functional teams or led successful group projects in their experience section. These are signals that the candidate might be a good fit for your team. Once you've identified potential candidates, it's time for the initial interview. This is an opportunity to dig deeper into their cultural fit. Ask questions that probe their attitudes and behaviors related to your cultural traits. If collaboration is a core value, you could ask questions like, can you share an example of a project where you had to collaborate closely with colleagues from different departments? How did you ensure effective communication and teamwork? Listen not only to their responses, but also to how they frame their experiences. Do they show enthusiasm for teamwork, or do they focus solely on individual achievements? This will give you insights into their alignment with your culture. As you move candidates through the interview process, the final interview is your last chance to assess culture fit before making a decision. At this stage, you can involve team members or leaders who embody your organization's culture. During the final interview, consider presenting scenarios that reflect your cultural values. For example, if innovation is key, you might present a hypothetical problem and ask the candidate how they would approach it innovatively. Observe not just their answers, but also their thought process and creativity. After finding the right candidate, the onboarding process plays a vital role in ensuring they seamlessly integrate into your culture. Make sure to provide a comprehensive orientation that highlights your company's values, mission, and expectations for cultural alignment. Pair them with mentors or buddies who can help them navigate your organization's culture effectively. That's it for today's episode of Hire and Thrive. Thank you for joining us, and I hope you found this discussion on hiring for culture fit valuable. Remember, it all starts with those culture fit statements in your job descriptions. So, craft them carefully, and you'll be on your way to building a cohesive and thriving team.